Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we dissect market data and translate it into actionable insights for traders of all levels. Today, September 21st, 2024, we're going over the Bitcoin market, analyzing current events and news alongside the latest chart data. First, let's take a look at the news and see what's driving Bitcoin's recent price action. Bitcoin has been making headlines recently due to the Federal Reserve's decision to lower interest rates. This move has generally been viewed as bullish for Bitcoin, as it signals a potential shift away from traditional assets and toward riskier investments, like cryptocurrencies. The news also highlights MicroStrategy's Saylor, a prominent Bitcoin advocate, who has shared a stunningly bullish rumor about Bitcoin. While the details of this rumor are still unclear, it's certainly adding to the positive sentiment surrounding Bitcoin. Now, let's delve into the chart data and see how these events are reflected in Bitcoin's price action. We'll start by looking at the daily chart to get a broad overview of Bitcoin's recent trend. The daily chart shows a steady upward trend for Bitcoin, with prices consistently climbing since the beginning of September. This upward momentum is supported by the higher highs and higher lows formed on the daily candles, indicating strong buying pressure. We can see that Bitcoin has broken through several resistance levels, suggesting that the bulls are in control of the market right now. However, it's important to note that the daily chart also shows a few red candles, indicating periods of selling pressure. These red candles serve as a reminder that the market is not always moving in a straight line, and that there are always opportunities for both bullish and bearish movements. To gain a more detailed understanding of Bitcoin's price action, let's switch to the hourly chart. If we look at the 1-hour chart, we can see a much more volatile price action compared to the daily chart. The 1-hour candles show rapid swings in price, making it a more challenging time frame for trading. However, the 1-hour chart also provides valuable information about the short-term sentiment and momentum of the market. We can see that the hourly candles have been mostly green, indicating that the bulls have been driving the market higher in the short term. However, there are also a few red candles, indicating periods of profit-taking or short-term bearish sentiment. It's crucial for traders to pay attention to these short-term swings and react accordingly. Now, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart and see what kind of short-term opportunities may exist. The 15-minute chart provides a granular view of Bitcoin's price action, allowing us to identify even the smallest price fluctuations. This time frame is best suited for scalping, which involves taking advantage of small price movements. While the 15-minute chart is very volatile, it can also reveal critical support and resistance levels that may be missed on larger time frames. We can see that Bitcoin has been bouncing between support and resistance levels on the 15-minute chart, indicating that traders are actively looking to buy or sell at these key price points. However, it's important to remember that the 15-minute chart is incredibly fast-paced, and quick reactions are essential. Traders need to be alert and prepared to make quick decisions based on the information provided on the 15-minute chart. Now, let's recap some important price levels and discuss potential future scenarios. Based on our analysis of the BTCUSD charts, we've identified a few key price levels that traders should be aware of. On the daily chart, the most recent resistance level is around $64,000, which Bitcoin has recently broken through. However, it's possible that this level could provide some resistance in the coming days, especially if the broader market sentiment turns bearish. On the hourly chart, we can see several short-term support and resistance levels that may provide opportunities for scalping. These levels are constantly fluctuating, so traders need to be vigilant in monitoring the chart and adjusting their trading strategies accordingly. The 15-minute chart is incredibly volatile, with support and resistance levels constantly shifting. Traders who are scalping this time frame need to be extremely alert and prepared to react quickly to any changes in price action. Looking at the bigger picture, it's important to remember that the broader market sentiment plays a significant role in Bitcoin's price action. The Federal Reserve's recent interest rate cut and the bullish rumor from MicroStrategy's Saylor suggest that the overall sentiment towards Bitcoin is currently bullish. However, it's important to be aware of potential risks, such as a sudden shift in global economic conditions or a renewed regulatory crackdown on cryptocurrencies. These events could potentially trigger a sharp drop in Bitcoin's price. In conclusion, BTCUSD is currently trading in a bullish trend with strong buying pressure, but traders need to be aware of potential risks and adjust their strategies based on the information provided by the charts. Remember, this technical analysis is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to making informed trading decisions. It's essential to consider all available information, including fundamental analysis, market sentiment, and your own risk tolerance, before making any trades. Always practice risk management and trade responsibly.